Hello, what's up mga idol at bossing ko? Maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. Shoutout po sa mga kababayan ko dyan at sa mga viewers ko po na patuloy na sumusubaybay sa aking mga upload. Marami na naman tayong mga bagong unit, lahat po ito sariwa at wala pong issue. Kaya sa mga naghahanap dyan, panoorin nyo po ito hanggang sa dulo. Pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like and subscribe naman po at isama mo na ang notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Abangan nyo to mga idol, lahat ng unit na kasama dito, panalo lahat. Nangunguna sa ating lineup, 2020 Nissan Navara 2.5 EL and Warrior loaded 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 20,000 kms, price 960,000. Location Las Piñas City. Wednesday ang coding nito sa naghahanap ng pickup na below 1M ang budget. Power steering, naka dual airbag, naka touchscreen head unit, 7-speed automatic transmission, rear wheel drive po ito. Malamig ang aircon at naka power window na po ito. 5-seater capacity at lahat po ng upuan naka all leather seats. Sariwa po ang unit na to. Naka roll bar handles na po ito at di masyadong gamit ng owner. Under the hood naka 2.5 liter 4-cylinder 16 valve na may 161 horsepower at 403 Nm torque. Naka all-in down payment po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Naka keyless entry na rin to. May rain visor, may step board. Sasakyan nyo na lang to, nothing to fix. Outside appearance naman ito, stock original shiny paint, very presentable. 2018 Isuzu MU-X 3.0 LSA 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 43,000 kms, price 1,158,000. Location Pasig City. Push start with cruise control, naka Android touchscreen monitor, clean and intact po ang interior nito, maayos ang loob, kita naman sa itsura, parang hindi masyadong nagagamit. Check nyo po actual mileage, not tampered. May ceiling monitor na rin ito at marami pong aircon ventilation ng likod para komportable at convenient po ang mga pasahero. 7-seater capacity at lahat po ng upuan naka all leather. Check nyo po engine bay nito, powerful engine, no leaks, no overheat history. Mga gulong nito na apat, makakapal pa naman, nasa 90% trade line. Outside appearance ito, stock original shiny paint, wala pong gas-gas, walang dent, very presentable. 2017 Ford Fiesta 1.0S Turbo EcoBoost automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 390,000. Location Bacoor, Cavite. Ang ganda ng kulay nito, ending 6 pong plate number, Wednesday ang coding, top of the line variant, responsive ang transmission nito, wala pong delay ang shifting, all power, all mechanism are working well, malamig po ang aircon ng unit na to. Maayos ang kondisyon ng interior, naka fabric seats, wala pong mga punit. Under the hood, naka 1.0 gas engine na may 125 horsepower at 210 Nm torque, very fuel efficient. Naka-registered to hanggang 2024 at ang mga papel nito kompleto na po, ready for transfer. Outside appearance nito, smooth shiny paint, makinis. Next, 2022 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 1,000 kms, price 698,000. Location Pasig City. Sa naghahanap ng good as brand new condition na Vios, eto po, mababa lang po ang mileage neto, pwede nyo po itong ipasok sa Grab. Fresh inside and out, kompleto po ang mga papel neto with CASA records and under warranty pa po ito. Engine bay nito, guaranteed no engine issue, naka factory sealed pa po yan. Ang ganda ng kulay ng unit na to. Mga gulong neto, maayos pa naman, makakapal pa, nasa 90% trade line. Outside appearance, stock original shiny paint, wala pong gas-gas, walang dent. 2022 Honda City 1.5S automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 4,000 kms, price 788,000. Location Pasig City. Another good as brand new na sedan. Ang ganda ng DRL lights neto. Push start, may eco mode at sports mode. Naka Android touchscreen monitor with navigation with iOS with Bluetooth ready. 100% legit mileage, not tampered. First owned unit, amoy bago pa po ito. Clean and intact po ang interior. LTO and HPG verified. Under the hood, naka 1.5 liter gasoline engine na may 119 horsepower at 148 Nm torque. No issue at condition po ang unit na to. Ready to use na po. Outside appearance, stock original shiny paint, very presentable. Wala pong gas-gas, walang dent. 2021 Toyota Vios 1.3 XLE automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 19,000 kms, price 658,000. Location Pasig City. All stock, all original. Another Vios po na magandang kulay. Naka touchscreen head unit, power steering, naka dual airbag, naka 5-speed CVT transmission. Malamig po ang aircon ng unit na to. First owned, CASA maintain with CASA records. Good as brand new condition po ito. Guaranteed no engine issue. Fuel efficient and good running condition. Excellent overall appearance. Mga rims nito naka 15 inches two-toned alloy wheels at ang mga gulong neto nasa 90% tire condition ready for long drive. Next, 2015 Honda HR-V 1.8V automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 69,000 km, price 628,000. Location, Pasig City. Sa naghahanap ng quality na crossover, ito po, naka-disc brake na harap at saka likod, push start, may automatic climate control, naka-touchscreen head unit, naka-CVT transmission with paddle shift, well-maintained unit, first owned, maayos ang kondisyon nito, malinis at sariwa po ito, 5-seater capacity at malaki po ang trunk space nito, maganda pa ang suspension nito, walang kalampag. Under the hood, naka 1.8 liter gas engine na may 141 horsepower at 172 Nm torque, all stock, all original, maganda po ang pagkaputi nito. Mga rims nito, naka 17 inches alloy wheels, wala pa po itong mga gutter marks. Best buy unit, ready to use na. 2005 Nissan X-Trail 250X 4x4 automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 100,000 km, price 298,000. Location, Marilao, Bulacan. Tokyo Edition, sa naghahanap ng Nissan X-Trail, well-maintained and well-preserved unit, smooth driving, smooth shifting, no delay po, naka-touchscreen monitor, malamig po ang aircon, 5-seater capacity, first owned unit, maayos pa ang kondisyon ng unit na to, pwede pa sa masela na buyer. Check nyo po engine bay nito, malinis, wala pong leak, wala pong overheat history, no hidden defects, naka-Shure strip board na rin to, naka-top load carrier, all stock, all original, smooth shiny paint, sasakyan mo na lang to, ready for long drive. 2014 Toyota Avanza 1.5G automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 60,000 km, price 490,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap ng Avanza na below 500k ang budget, Wednesday ang coding neto, 1.5 at G variant na po. Power steering na rin po ito, naka-dual airbag, smooth po ang transmission, wala pong delay. Second row nito maluwag, okay naman ang space ng legroom at saka headroom. Halos hindi nagagamit ang third row, 7-seater capacity po ito at lahat po ng upuan naka-all leather. Saktong laki lang din ang trunk space nito. Under the hood, naka 1.5 liter gasoline engine na may 105 horsepower at 138 Nm torque. Available din po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Naka all-in down payment po ito at andyan na rin po ang requirements para kumpleto na po kayo, hindi na kayo mahirapan. At kung cash basis po, negotiable upon viewing. At kung may existing unit kayo, pwede rin po dito trade-in. 2014 Hyundai Tucson 2.0 GL, manual transmission, gas engine, mileage 30,000 km, price 450,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Crossover ulit, ang ganda ng kulay, all stock, all original. Sa naghahanap dyan ng manual, ito na po ang mga request nyo, idol. 5-speed manual transmission, all power, all mechanism are working well, naka-fabric seats, malinis at maayos ang kondisyon ng unit, wala pong punit ang mga upuan, 5-seater capacity, maluwag ang trunk space nito, marami ka nang mailalagay, malinis ang engine bay nito, no issue, wala pong overheat history, no leaks. Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-comment down below na lang sa interesado kung may iba pa kayong inquiry. Kompleto po ang mga papel nito, naka-registered hanggang 2024, 100% LTO verified at 100% hindi po ito nabaha. Next, 2013 Toyota Hilux 3.0G 4x4 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 90,000 km, price 810,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Well-maintained and well-preserved unit. Baka may naghahanap dyan ng 4x4 na Hilux. Naka-touchscreen head unit, clean and intact ang interior neto. May central console armrest, may headrest monitor. Okay naman po ang space ng second row neto, maluwag. Under the hood, naka 3.0 liter diesel engine na may 161 horsepower at 343 Nm torque. Good running condition, nothing to fix. Sasakyan mo na lang to. Naka-garnish na po ito, naka-roll bar handle. Maganda at maayos ang quality ng unit. Pwede nyo pong i-view at i-test drive para mas ma-appreciate nyo po siya kapag nakita nyo ng actual. Next, 2014 Hyundai Starex 2.5 HBX automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 70,000 km, price 790,000. Location, Las Piñas City. All stock po ang likod nito, may back sensor, Wednesday po ang coding, 5-speed automatic transmission, naka-touchscreen head unit na po ito, may USB at auxiliary input, naka-power windows, naka-captain seats, 10-seater capacity at lahat po ng upuan nito naka-all leather, marami pong aircon vents kaya komportable po ang sakay nito sa likod. Excellent ang interior, engine bay nito malinis, wala pong tagas ng langis, wala pong overheat history, naka-Motolite battery na po yan. Available din po ito sa financing, pa-check na lang po ng computation sa screen. Naka-keyless entry na rin po yan, rear wheel drive, outside appearance nito, stock original shiny paint, very presentable, just diesel and go. 2018 Mazda 2 Sky Active 1.5R automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 550,000. Location Las Piñas City. Top of the line series, meron na rin po itong back sensor, may automatic braking system, may electronic stability control. Maganda ang interior nitong Mazda. Naka-fabric seats at wala pa namang punit ang upuan. Mas maganda yan pag na-detailed na po yan. 100% hindi po ito nabaha. 100% no accident history. Kompleto ang mga papel, LTO verified. Under the hood, naka 1.5 liter gasoline engine na may 106 horsepower at 139 Newton meter torque. Naka 16 inches alloy wheels, wala po pong mga gutter marks at lahat po ng wheels neto naka disc brake na po. Front wheel drive po ito at ang capacity ng fuel tank neto ay 44 liters. Sasakyan mo na lang to, just gas and go. 2014 Kia Carnival 2.0 EX LWV, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 80,000 kms, price 550,000. Location Las Piñas City. May back sensor at reverse camera, all stock, all original. Naka touchscreen head unit, all power, all mechanism are working well. Lahat po ng upuan nito naka all leather na po. 7-seater capacity. Sa naghahanap dyan ng diesel po ang engine. Nothing to fix, no issue po ang unit, ready for long drive. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Medyo natagalan lang po ako makapag-upload dahil nasa probinsya po ako mga idol. Don't forget to click like and subscribe at kung may katanungan po kayo, andyan po sa taas ang WhatsApp account ko po. Marami pong salamat at mabuhay po kayong lahat. This is J Catskill Vlogs. Peace out!